So hi friends, this is Amit and you're watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So here is the complete information regarding the BITSAT 2022 counseling cutoff that you can expect as iteration 2 is done now. So I am here with the updated data of cutoff that is up to the last iteration what you can expect for all type of branches of all three campus of BITS colleges. So if you're first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so you will be getting all the updated information, and by watching this video you can expect easily what you can get up to the last round as you have already received the iteration 2 result. So here is the result. So here is the complete information regarding the cutoff. Let's get started with the video. First of all, let's talk about BITS Goa. So here is the information. CSE you can expect up to 308 marks, and for EC up to 271 marks, and for triple E you can expect up to 256. It will come, and there will be changes in the cutoff marks. As you also know, there is a change in the marks from iteration 1 to iteration 2. So there will be lots of changes up to the last iteration because many students will be leaving the BITS as soon as they will get the IIT, NIT, triple IT in the upcoming round. As you also know, the JOSA counseling is also going on. JAC will be starting very soon, and COMEDK will start also very soon. So many students will leave the BITS colleges and they will join others. So the cutoff will go a little bit down as well. It is marks wise. And now if you talk about for EIE, 248 marks you can expect, and for mechanical 238, for chemical 214, for MSc Maths 225, for MSc Physics 227, for MSc Chemistry 210, and MSc Economics 239. MSc Bioscience it will be available up to 206 marks. That is the least possible marks to join BITS Goa is 206 marks as per the expectation up to the last iteration, and also based on the current cutoff trend that is after the iteration 2. As I have received lots of feedback from the student who are registered with my guidance, so I am providing you the complete information here after the iteration 2. And if you need complete counseling guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number, not only for BITS but for other counseling also. Whatever you are doing, JOSA, CSAB, MSc, COMEDK, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, all type of counseling I will be guiding you. Once you register with my guidance, there is a nominal charge for that. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. So now let's talk about the most demandable campus, that is BITS Pilani campus. So here is the information for that. That is for CSE 330 marks you can expect up to the last. As you also know, no one will leave. Very few students will leave the CSE in BITS Pilani because it is most demandable college and most demandable branch, that is CSE. And for EC 295 you can expect, for triple E 285, EIE 275, Mechanical 248, Chemical 228, Civil 224, MSc Maths 239, and for MSc Physics you can expect up to 235, and for MSc Chemistry 222, for MSc Economics 250, for MSc Bio 219 you can expect, and for Manufacturing you can expect the list cutoff in BITS Pilani campus, that is 212 marks. So once again, I would like to inform you, counseling is very important process and you have to do it very carefully in order to save your money as well, because many time a student don't take the right decision, and later if you want to take the refund, they will not provide you and you will face the problem. So if you want to take the refund or you want to get the best out of your rank, so everything I will be guiding you once you register with my guidance. Otherwise, you can check my previous video also regarding the decision making and refund policy. You can do accordingly as well. But if you are confused or if you have some problem regarding that, you can contact me anytime to get the complete counseling guidance up to your admission is done. And also it will help you to get into the best college with best possible branch, because branch is also important. After 4 years you will be having the job with your branch, so it is very important to choose the right branch so that you will develop the right skill set in your 4 years of BTech course. So let's continue this video. That is for BITS Hyderabad. So here is the cutoff for CSE 295, EC 273, triple E 268, EIE 247, Mechanical you can expect up to 225, Chemical 207, Civil 206, MSc Mathematics 210, MSc Physics 216, MSc Chemistry 200, MSc Economics 230, and MSc Bio you can expect up to 197 marks. So this was all about the complete information regarding the BITS Counseling 2022. That is the updated data I have provided you after the iteration 2, what you can expect up to the last iteration. So please try to subscribe the channel so that you will be getting all the update of BITS Counseling as well as other counseling, other entrance exam also in this same channel. Thanks.